жаттығудың зарубасы. Заруба бізден 6 жаттығудан құралады. Біріншісі подтягивание, турника тарту, брусья, прыжки на тулку, пресс, бревно, выпады со штангой және соңғысы бёрпи с гантелями. Әр жаттығуға беретін уақыт 2 минут. 2 минуттың ішінде біз әр жаттығуда максимал түрде повторение жасап шығуымыз керекпіз. Зарубаның соңында кімде көп повторение болады, сол жеңіске жетеді. Ал, біз бастаймыз. Так, программа дайын. Командалар дайын. Никитос, Фёдор ағай.
Короче,
Тоник техникасы.
локти выпрямляем, но не выключаем. Но выпрямляем, но не выключаем. Здесь не вот так вот, но и не сюда. Просто голову вот по оборону. Не вот так вот, да, как, например, я могу делать воркаут. И не сюда, чтобы не тянуть. Просто вот по оборону и сюда отпустили, не выключаем. Хват без разницы какой. Вот.
Все.
Вот, то есть и вот так вот, и не надо сюда. Просто выше перекладываем, локти не выключаем, но не управляем. Готовы?
Я.
Готовы, да? Время. 3, 2, старт!
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here.
Қырық менде. Сколько один? Да. Ахмада да 40. Мина? 38. А пока осындай. Фёдор мен Никитаны көреміз. Кеттік. 3, 2, 1, кеттік.
Look there, over where, am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? I'm one of a kind, there ain't no one like me. so hard to find, it's the real damn thing. Don't be wasting any time, I got somewhere to be. Always on the grind, yeah, you know me. Hold the crown will be mine, you can call me king. A matter of time for you all love me. Finally at my prime, right where I wanna be.
Бәрі алда, енді бастаймыз.
Плюс-минус предположение, кто возьмет первое место.
Я не знаю, посмотрим. Ернар.
Ахмад, ваши слова.
Я сейчас все сделаю. Екінші блокты бастаймыз, Боруссия. 2 минут на максимум. Боруссия менің темам, сондықтан барынша озу отасам.
I'm one of a kind, and no one like me. Put my money where my mouth is, I'ma get it now, kid. Run around town, this sound is astounding. Feel my heart pounding, bass is surrounding. Think I finally found it, so I'm gonna mount it. Like an ex-girlfriend, I'ma get it back. Make a couple racks as I make a couple tracks. Stay on the attack as I'm writing every rap in a snapback. Blacks off this coke and this jack. Man, I feel good, dog, I feel good. Woke up a little richer, also with a little wood. If I could teach this shit, man, really wish I could. So listen up closely, I'll give you a push. I raise hell every time my lyrics pop up. I take shots at the haters with a sawed off. Girl, you better keep me up or I'll nod off. One shot, all I got, I will not stop. I'm one of a kind, there ain't no one like me. So hard to find, it's the real damn thing. Don't be wasting any time, I got somewhere to be. Always on the grind, yeah, you know me. Hold the crown will be mine, you can call me king. A matter of time for you all love me. Finally at my prime, right where I wanna be. I'm one of a kind, there ain't no one like me. Yeah, it's not enough, man, I want more. I keep on doing business, open every single door. I wanna be the richest, so you see me up on Forbes. I can do this through my music, that's how I even the score. I don't take it slow, man, I want it bad. Every single day, I'll be carving out a path. Like a girl with a tat on her back, all black. I'ma take her right back to my pad where it's at. I don't ever slack off, so you better back off. I'm about to blast off faster than NASA. Everybody stand up, put your fucking hands up, that's the demand, yup. Welcome to the brand, bruh, no I'm not cautious. I take risks, and no you can't stop this. I'm too slick, she knows that she wants it. So come quick, baby, know that I'm on it. I don't quit. I'm one of a kind, there ain't no one like me. So hard to find, it's the real damn thing. Don't be
Тоқсан жеті? Неше? 95? Акмай, неше сізде? 76. Нормально. Әдемі. 2, 1, начали.
I said you better watch what you're doing, 'cause I ain't gonna stop when I'm moving. I'm headed to the top, I'ma do it. I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it. And baby girl, I like what you're doing. Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it. You know I'll treat you right, let me prove it. And I could go all night, I'm sick of being nothing. All right, I'm gonna be something. I'll fight with every breath, trust me. I'ma be the one at the top, you can't touch me. I need to find somebody like me, who wants to be something. I bleed with every word coming. I would rather die than be someone who's nothing. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes, 'cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous, 'cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
3, 2, 1, стоп. Никита, 94. Серьезно? Стоп. А что это? Пойдем, нет.
Посмотри видео.
В общем, biz videoni bosqidan ko'rdi. Fyodor 100 emas, 97. Menda 97, u da 97. Ket ko'zga. Шату, прыжки на тумбу. Кетtik.
Выпрямляемся.
Дубль 2, еще раз упадите. Это опять потрачено поставить.
3, 2,
They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You won't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand.
Пару слов, да?
Я сказал, что я всех сделаю.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it in fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest, I won't ever stop now, I'ma get it now. Have my head face down in the fucking ground. Rock bottom I found, but I'm back now. Bitch, better back down or you'll fucking drown. I don't wanna hear it now, this is my town. I'ma be the one found at the top now. Screaming out so loud to the whole crowd. Did I make you proud? Give a fuck now.
Right, no, I need you here, and I just might lie wide awake in fear and let time pass by. No, I can't see clear, think I'm lost inside, and the end is near. It's just not fair. It's just not fair. It's just not fair.
Not okay. Ripped an ad in the chest from the cocaine. I don't
Wait, man, I wanna be the best in my domain. Peace of mind never coming to my head, yeah. If I'm first, then I'm gonna end up dead, yeah. I ain't here to fuck around and make friends, yeah. I'm here to put all of my demons to bed, yeah. And all I see is that you're running from your past, yeah. Just like a dream, can't seem to make yourself go fast, yeah. You keep on going, but you're falling, you're falling. It's now or never, push it all in. I'm not alright, no, I need you here. And I just might lie wide awake in fear and let time pass by. No, I can't see clear, think I'm lost inside and the end is near. It's just not fair. It's just not fair. It's just not fair. Oh, yeah. It's just not fair.
Straight to the
Один.
to the brain. Straight to the brain. To the brain. Straight to the brain. Straight to the
Фёдор неше? У Никиты 48. Никитада 48, Фёдорда 52, 52. Келесі выпады. Кеттік. Ең қиыны енді басталады. Выпады салмақпен. Бастаймыз.
Небольшое ЧП.
Не снял? Ты не снял?
Ты типа думал, включил и не включил, да? Я честно.
Конечно.
А, пошутил?
Бля.
Ну надо же.
Это контент.
Акман, неше? Нифига. Акмаль. 43. 26. Выпады ең жүк көретін жаттығым выпады мені. Есте болсын, аяқтың үнде жаттықтырмаймын. И ена. Тоқтам. Так. 46. Шешуші жаттығу соңғы. Бөрпі. Гантелмен 10 кило, 20 километр.
Let's go!
Better watch out, I'm on the climb to the crown in my prime right now. Hear me loud, I've been spitting for a while now. All by myself, independent DIY now. Don't need no help, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets, it's funny. I do all the work, yeah, keep it 100. I fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak, I like to build things. Empires out of buildings, I wanna leave a legacy of helping others finally feel things. Of motivating and killing, depression, exhaustion, we need some healing. I work through the pain, I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the flames. Yeah, I do this every day, even when I feel drained. A true man pushes through, you don't hear complaints. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah.
Соңғысы екеуі қалды. Кеттік қойық. Никита, я вот считай.
Yeah, I said I got this, I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, y'all give me facts, not fiction. Then you know I fucking listen, cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning, or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up.
Никита, 45, 41. А, не, извиняюсь. 39, 39. Фёдор. 41. Енді есептейміз. 5-ші орында Ерна 289 повторениемен. 4-ші орында мен өкінішке орай 297 повторение. 300-ге 3 повторение жетпей қалды. 3-ші орын бізде Атмай 307 повторение общий суммада. 2-ші орын бізде Никита 319 повторениемен. Және 1-ші орын бізде Фёдор, главный тренер BASQAZHOL 334 повторениемен. Фёдорды 1-ші орыннан құттықтаймыз. Айтпақшы ол өзінің YouTube каналын ашты. Міндетті түрде каналына тіркелсеңіздер болады. Қазір төменгі описаниеда болады. Ал сіздермен болған мен Саят Қожамжан. Каналға тіркеліңіздер, лайк басыңыздар. Егер осындай қызықты зарубаға көргіңіз келсеңіздер, міндетті түрде тіркеліңіздер.